if you're into your allotments, then join me soon. And I'm not down the windmill allotments this time. So basically what you're trying to say, Andy, you've got a tight fetish.
I have, yes, yeah. I call this Janice's tree because I work with this lovely lady at work, Janice Walker, and I did say to her one day, I said, Janice, you know, I said, I've just fancy a bit of cross-dressing, can you let me have a few pair of your tights?
Oh yeah. Not quite beer, but you know what, it'll do.